this video come out. We're gonna try this. Man, I hope that wherever you are right now, you are focused. You are challenged. You are feeling the pain of something, of change inside of you. You've got something going on in your life and you're experiencing pain because you're going through something that you believe in, that you know is going to help you achieve your goal, achieve that breakthrough, that personal breakthrough. You know what I'm talking about? That personal breakthrough that only you know about, my friend. I'm telling you, I'm excited. Santos Jr. here, aka Soldier of Self-Mastery, on a micro speech drive-by in my inspiration chamber. You know, one of those. Anyways, I've got a little bit of a drive. I hope the video turns out. I'm truly excited. This is what I want to talk about, my friend. By the way, share this video, comment below, check out soldiersofselfmastery.com. The link will be right below. It's my information, it's my connection. So make sure you click the link and subscribe to soldiersofselfmastery.com/happier. Donate financially. Share this video. You know what? A gift of $75. $75 to help people around the world. That's my mission. I protect families, I protect children, and then I do part-time life coaching. Promote book and my Problem Gambling Breakthrough Academy. Now, this is what I want to talk to you about here. I promise to keep this video short as possible. Are you struggling with problem gambling? Are you struggling with it? You catch this video and you're thinking, Santos, you have no idea. None. Man, if you only knew, Santos, what I'm going through because of problem gambling. I don't know what you're going through right now, where you're at, my friend, but I can tell you I've been through some shit myself. And I'll tell you, man, you know what feels really great? To be completely free. Where you don't gamble. You're not thinking about gambling. You're using your money righteously. You see, I'm doing a service unto other people to help other people, and I am helping other people, and I ask for donations. And a lot of you guys that watch my videos, you can't give because you're giving somewhere else. You can't give to this mission that is actually saving people's lives. I believe it is. I get emails, I get comments, I get messages. I want to expand, obviously. So what I really want you to focus on is what I'm sharing with you. By the way, I am the creator of the Problem Gambling Breakthrough Academy. That is a lifetime access school online, or on your phone, or on your tablet, wherever you are around the world. By the way, my book is now ebook also, so you can get your book, you can get my book from anywhere around the world. I sent one of my books to Australia. It was $25 to send it there. You can download it right now, the Little Red Book. So, and again, the problem gambling. What is the problem gambling breakthrough all about? If you're struggling, my friend, if you're struggling, you want freedom, you want something that's going to give you direction, you want something that's going to kind of hold you together, kind of hold you in place, kind of help lift you up again, restore you to that place where you know you're getting stronger. You're able to fight temptations because you have a little program, you have a system that you can utilize anywhere around the world on your phone. There's your program. So visualize your life, man. I probably should have said more of this in the Problem Gambling Breakthrough Academy, but I talked about your life is like a yacht. It's like a ship, right? And we need to get from port A to port B. If we have the wrong captain at the helm, we're not going to get to that port. You must change the captain that's at your helm. You got to deal with your subconscious. You got to learn to practice being more consciously aware of yourself and your surroundings. These are life hacks. I talk about these things in my book. I talk about this in the Problem Gambling Breakthrough. I talk about this on my YouTube channel. So you can live your life. You can live a life of misery. You have that choice, especially here in the United States. You can live that life if you want to. But do you really want to live a life of misery? Do you want to do damage to your family? Do you want to hurt your children? Do you want to lose your job? Do you want to feel like shit because you got to hide from people and you're taking from Paul to pay Peter? And you come across this video. That's the funny thing. You know, you've come across this video and you're listening. What the heck is this guy talking about? Who is this guy? Soldier of self-mastery? Philosopher of everyday victorious living? Self-empowerment life coach? Where's your credentials? Life is my credentials. I am my own credentials because I've got myself to where I am today, learning from other people, implementing life hacks. I call them life hacks, whatever it is. Journaling, self-talk, visualization, exercise, drinking healthy mineral water. That's a life hack too. Your body needs healthy water. I promote basic reset products from Dr. Fred Kaufman. And I'm a user, 2 years. I love the water. Love it. Love it. I'll probably be on it for the rest of my life. And yes, in fact, I will put the link below. So I promise to keep this video short, but I really want you to think about your freedom, my friend. I want you to think about what your life could be like. I want you to think about what it would feel like to wake up Saturday morning and Sunday morning completely free, man, without any thoughts of no hangovers, no headaches, you know, no guilt, no shame. Can you think about that? I hope this video, I truly hope that this video takes. By the way, I'm in Stockton, California. I'm also training to become a life, accident, and health agent. I protect families, I protect children. I'm putting in the hours, my friend, and I apologize that lately I haven't been able to keep up with the Friday Night Alive program. Cephas, my partner, is going to take that over. I believe, hopefully we'll see him tomorrow. And I'm definitely going to be on Sunday. Man, get excited. I'm going to be Sunday. I've got a powerful message that I'm going to be sharing. I'm going to be asking some serious questions too. I want you to get involved. So invite a friend. If you're struggling, my friend, if you are struggling, come on, come in, man. Come to the Sunday Night Alive Power Hour. Watch these videos over and over. And you know what? My Problem Gambling Breakthrough Academy is a measly $297. In fact, I almost feel ashamed to say that, $297. I'm gonna bring the price up, and it's gonna be probably another week or two, and we're gonna bring the price up, my friend. I'm urging you, I'm encouraging you, I'm imploring you to take advantage of that program. If you're struggling, don't give $300. You know what? Invest in yourself, my friend. You're going to give $300 to a casino. Buy the it's going to be yours forever. You have lifetime access. Once you're in there, lifetime access. You don't have to pay any more fees, and you can use that over and over to help you straighten out your thoughts. Get your focus going. Experience in your imagination what your life could be like. The freedom, the peace, the greater sense of well-being. Imagine waking up every morning, not just on Saturdays and Sundays, but going to work knowing that you are putting money in your bank account. Oh man. If this video doesn't excite you, if you're a problem gambler, I don't care, maybe it's some other vice that you are struggling with, overeating, over-talking, being negative, road rage, shyness, you don't have any confidence, or maybe you're trying to get more confidence, whatever. The Problem Gambling Breakthrough is, right now it's enrollment period. Lifetime access, 7 or 8 modules that I have, short videos, they're not very long. And then there's the work plan. There's your guideline that you follow. You read it step by step, little by little. It's not a book of 100 pages either. We're talking about 1 page, my friend. I guarantee you results. If you follow that, I mean, maybe you can't follow it to the T, but I guarantee you that if you follow it and you give it at least 98% of yourself, you will find yourself freedom, my friend. You will no longer be gambling. Hey, it works for me every day. And I tell you, I'm a product of the product. So I can tell you honestly, I don't give a shit about gambling. You know what? Screw the casinos. I don't even get tempted anymore because I'm so focused on what I need to be focused on. It's amazing. The Problem Gambling Breakthrough, and then the book, I have some recommendations in it. I'm telling you, you can turn your life around. It's your choice. I probably went overboard on this video, but I hope that you got my message, my friend. I truly care about you. I've been giving, sharing my videos, sharing my testimony several years. You know what? I'm starting to get something from helping people. I've come to the realization that if you want to become, if you want to generate more income, if you want to be wealthy, number one, you got to take care of your health as much as possible. Number one, because without health, you're nothing. Okay, that's the truth. And the excuses, they got to be thrown out the window for good. Now, Santos, okay, maybe I lost track of my thought there, but I really want you to think about your life. I want you to think about where you're at. And I want you to think about this message. If you got to listen to this video again, listen to it again. Take some notes for yourself. Share this video. Give me a thumbs up. If you need some specialized coaching, you want me to be right there with you, that's up to you, my friend. I offer that through my page. You can go to the information below in the video. As I said, share this video on Facebook, on addiction sites. You know, you go to addiction sites, people that are hurting. Share this video, put it on Twitter. Help me help other people. You know, ultimately, I'm not going to be on the planet forever, so these videos will keep going and they will keep helping people. Not only my family, because hopefully as YouTube starts to generate income through the advertisement and pays me for my efforts, you know, obviously I want to make this a movement. This is a mission, man. People say, you know, you're becoming that's still, man. My heart is helping people break free from problem gambling, man. That's where my heart is, man. Oh man, we had an officer that was shot at right up my street, right where I live, man, in the area, and they still have a blockade right there near my home. Well, God have mercy. God have mercy on us, on you and I, my friend. You know what? If you're doing very well and you're manhandling what you got to manhandle, I salute you. You know what? I commend you, because it's a fight. It's a battle. And it's not an easy battle. It's not easy. It's not hard. It's doable. And there's always room for improvement within room for improvement. Would you agree with that? I'm sure you would. In fact, I can see you shaking your head. Man, I went long on this video. So, hey, I turned off my light. Anyways, I'm actually pulling in here into my... I'm going to finish this video. I want to thank you from the top of my heart. I truly appreciate you from the top of my heart. It's an honor and a privilege to be able to be here. Oops, I keep doing... to be here and share this message with you. And you know, I truly and honestly want you to think about where you want to be, where you need to be, and what it is that you need. You got to have a program, you got to have a system, you got to have some tools. Carpenter will not build a house without tools. A mechanic cannot work on a car without tools. If you are an office person, somebody that works in an office, you can't do your job without proper tools. If you're a truck driver, there's a task, there's a goal, there's an achievement, there's a breakthrough that you need to reach as a truck driver. You need tools. There's certain equipment that you need. If you want a breakthrough in your life from problem gambling or any other addiction, you need the Problem Gambling Breakthrough Academy. Get the book. Get the book. Get the book. The new revised book. It's actually smaller than this. It's not this big. In fact, let me read something out of this book. This is the older version. 1985, Great Lakes, U.S. Navy. I went 12 weeks through boot camp, mind-altering life hacking. That's what I call it today. I became a U.S. Navy soldier within a 90-day period. Now, there's a lot more that I can share with you. This is an unedited. It's a bad. Actually, I had to correct this. Okay, about those experiences, but I'll keep that for another time. I'm just going to share a few key things that are very personal. I learned about personal survival, and one great understanding, what you're up against. Know what you're up against. Know what you're up against. Know your enemy. Also, which is vital for your daily progress. I learned how fast you could retrain your mind to produce a different lifestyle. I learned how fast you can retrain your mind to produce a different lifestyle. In just a short amount of time, forced learning works. Today, more than ever, I have indeed come to appreciate the experiences that I've gone through in the past, especially this one that I just shared with you, that your mind can be trained to change in a concise amount of time if done effectively. So with that, I can keep going for a long time, but no, I'm not. I'll let you go, get a good dinner, do whatever you need to do, visualize, and I hope that you took some notes. Remember, share the video. I will see you on my next one. Peace through strength. Peace through strength from the top of my heart. I salute you. And remember to make every day super fantastic, terrific, and over the top, in spite of and because of.